What's up, everybody? Today we're going to run through VLOOKUP, and we're going to do it in 3 minutes or less. Just a quick little tutorial on how to use it, what it's good for, and an example. Jumping on in. Alright, we've got different items, we've got prices, and we have a total here. So what we want to do is figure out how much somebody owes us when they buy certain goods from us. So let's say we're running the store, we have a shirt, alright, they want a shirt, they want shorts, they want shoes. We want these to automatically generate over here in the prices, and we're going to do that with the VLOOKUP. All we do equals VL, and then VLOOKUP is the only thing that starts that way. You can click on it or hit tab, either way. What's the value we want to find? That's the lookup value. Click here, comma, and where's the table it's in? Where are we going to look it up? Where's the array? As long as this value we're looking up is on the left-hand side of the value we want to find, VLOOKUP's going to be fine. So we'll click here, and remember we have two columns. One, that's what we're looking up, that's where we're starting, and two, that's the thing we want to find. We'll hit F4. That way, when we copy this down, this will stay here. It'll look up the exact things we want to do, and it won't adjust, or we won't have any errors with that. Comma. Now remember, column 1, column 2. We want to find column 2. So we hit number 2. And do we want to find an exact match? Yes, we do. So you can either click false, or you can put a 0. They both work. Close it up, hit enter, and there we go. And you can copy it, Control C, Control V, paste it, Control V, paste it, and there you go. We just have a sum running off of these. But if we change this, say instead of a shirt, they want to get socks. It adjusts. Then shorts, pants, and then shoes turns into a shirt. There we go. Your totals will adjust, and that's about it. So that's been VLOOKUP. A quick example of it. One issue with VLOOKUP is, let's say you're going to insert a column here. This will cause an issue. So what you'll have to do here is go into this function, because remember, 1, 2, we were looking up 2. It still is. Now it's 3. 3. And there you go. You can bring that down, and there it is. So just watch out putting those new columns in, and there it is. VLOOKUP, about 2.5 minutes. If this is helpful, great. Share it with whoever, and I'd appreciate it if you'd hit that subscribe button. All right, see you next time.